everyone, I'm Karen from Veek's Vegan Cooking School, and I'm here today with a cooking tip, and I've got lemongrass. I just went and got some lemongrass out of my garden, and I have that in the garden to put into curries, and also as a mosquito repellent. Having lots of lemongrass around repels the mosquitoes. Also, it's great to have it as a drink, and I wish I'd taken my own advice a couple of days ago. I had very swollen feet from sitting so long studying, and lemongrass is actually an anti-inflammatory. So if I drank lemongrass tea that day, I may have had less swollen feet. It's also a great antioxidant, antibacterial, great for relieving menstrual cramps, and it's also has got niacin in it, which is B3, and I'll talk about that in another video. I'm going to just show you what I do. So I have it by the kettle most of the time, and then I just chop pieces off, and you can chop, the down there, the root or the leaves, it doesn't matter. I've washed that, and then I put it in one of these fancy dancy things and put it into my teacup and pour boiling water on. But not quite boiling, 80 degrees is great. And let that steep for a few minutes or 5 minutes, and that's my cup of lemongrass tea. Isn't that a great tip? If you go over and check out my website, www.veets.com.au, you'll see that I have an online course, and in that online course there's lots of tips. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Lots of love everyone. Bye.